Thank you for joining us on how to front post double crochet for advanced beginners. For this tutorial, you'll need Mary Maxim's Best Value yarn. We're working with the color Mocha and an I9 5.5 millimeter hook. We're going to start by setting up our work for the front post double crochet. You can't go into a chain for a front post double crochet because there's no post. So we're going to start by chaining 12. That's 9 stitches plus 3 chains, which equals the first double crochet. That equals 10 stitches in total. And then we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Those skipped chains, there's 3 skipped chains, those equal the first double crochet. And then we're going to double crochet to the end. When you're at the end of the row, you should have 10 stitches total, 9 double crochets, 3 chains. When finished, turn. Now it's a little difficult to front post double crochet in your first stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3 on the first stitch, double crochet in the second stitch, then we'll start our front post double crochet. So you're going to yarn over and insert your hook from front to back around the post of the next stitch. Then you're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Let's do some more. Now we're going to do 2 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, 2 double crochet. So we're going to kind of keep with that pattern. So 2 and 2. So here we're going to double crochet. Notice which stitch I'm working into. It's always good to know exactly where your posts are and which stitches you're working into. Doing the post stitches, it's easy to get your numbers off. So make sure you're counting your stitches at the end of each one of these rows. So here's another post stitch. And we're going to end this row with 2 double crochets. Now the first double crochet is working into a stitch. And in the second double crochet, we're working into a chain. So make sure you're working into your chain and not into that stitch again. If you don't work into the chain, oftentimes your ends can be uneven. Let's take a look at a few swatches where we've used front post double crochet in combination with other stitches to create some amazing textures. Here we did a basket weave stitch combination. So to do this, we're doing 4, sometimes it's 3, sometimes it's 4, it just really depends on your pattern, but we're doing 4 front post double crochets and then 4 back post double crochets, and it creates this a reversible fabric effect where it looks the same front and backwards. Here we are doing the alpine stitch where we're working a 2-row repeat, and every other stitch on one of the repeats is a front post double crochet. So you see how the texture just climbs, and it's just a very beautiful fabric texture. Thank you for joining us on how to front post double crochet for advanced beginners. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!